So I saw your question. It seemed to be you're stuck with this graphing tool. So here's a particular problem, a little different, very similar to one you had, but just a little different. So you want to graph this, so you click on this, click this to enlarge the graph, and this pops up. So you got to realize this is an exponential equation, and so the only one option we have here is we click on this button, then you come down here and click anywhere, and it'll put that in for you. And you can see it's already identified the base for you. So it's identified for you that it's a decay or the base between 0 and 1. The key point, it takes care for you. You just got to pick the correct image here and then click anywhere down here. The other item you have to do is we do have some transformations happening here. So on this particular one, it's x plus 1. It's shifted 1 to the left. And so let's see, it's a horizontal shift, and so you need to take this and drag it 1 to the left. And then you click save, and that's what all there is to it. I hope this helps.